Welcome to Coupons with Rebecca Valenzuela. So, what you're going to want to do is get your coupons. You're going to want to separate them and get one packet each. As you can tell, these are all different, but the packages come in 6 different ones. As you can see, we are separating them right now. Okay, there should be 6 in total. If not, there is a problem. You need to contact the person and get a little bit of beef with them to try to get your money back. Anyways, so then you get the scissors. You place them down on the chair. Make sure they're not poking you. You do not want to get hurt, because we do not support IHP right now. Sorry. So you're going to want to take every single page of each one of each, and you're going to want to put them together, like so. We're kind of having some technical difficulties here, but we'll get it done. So, once we have that, we're going to want to stack them and place them together, make sure they're even. And once that's done, you're going to rip them in half, evenly, like so. You're going to want to get the scissors. You're going to start cutting the coupon outerior.
Yeah, but you're crazy. Mr. Mayor's
So you're going to want to get the other part, start putting them evenly, sort them one by one, make sure they're like this. If you have them like this, then you're not going to get any groceries. So once that's done, you're going to want to get the next page. You're going to start cutting nice and evenly, nice and slow, with precision. You're going to want to flip to the other side, cut the rest of the coupons, make sure there's no coupons left on the paper, because that is wasting coupons. Once that is done, you're going to place the paper on the floor, make sure it's in the trash. Then you're going to want to stack the coupons evenly, and then place them on the table. Make sure they're in the right order, and then we go to our next page. After that, we are going to start cutting again, once again. Once you are taking every single one, make sure the peaches are all even, make sure there's 6 of them, you need to recount them. There is a technical difficulties. We'll be back in a short amount of time. Guess not. We are back. So,